Hello everyone. That's the trail over there. And that's thunder. Alright, we're off. These paths in Langtang are so rocky. It's nicer to walk here. Okay, 3 hours to get to Kenjin Goomba, and it's just past 3, so we might get there at sundown. See how things go. Once you're on the move again, it gets better, but wow, I'm starting to get more lethargic, which isn't a strange thing at altitude. Namaste. Damn. It's a proper climb still out of Langtang. That's what we've been doing the last 16 minutes. Imagine walking out of a small village for 16 minutes and still not be out of it. This is the biggest late afternoon dip so far. Everything's coming together. Altitude, worn out body parts. Part of me is just going, just go back, chill, sleep it off. But I see these Sherpas, man, they carry so much and they keep going. Why can't I? Get some wet feet maybe. Not too slippery. Sweet. And up. What you got? A yak boy or yak gal. Can't always tell. This is a yak boy. Hey youngin. How's it going? Hey. You be on your merry way, sir. Is he gonna cross the river? Late afternoon overcast is back. I think we're safe from the sun now. I reckon on some tops you can see it, on some peaks you can see it dumping. It's probably dumping snow. See the clouds? Same here. Oh yeah, okay. After a few ups, serious ups, down ups, I got the stride again. Still, it does feel a bit rough, but we'll manage. Maybe my body was still reluctant to get up and to leave a lonely lady all on her lonesome out there. But the cool thing is, she has 2 brothers. She gave me their card, and they're in Goomba. I'm tired. And they've been up to the place, to the pass where I might travel to, I might traverse if things go a bit to plan. And they actually have a couple of videos online on YouTube that I actually checked out. They have a channel. So it's pure coincidence that through the Yak man and later the Yak daughter, I get to the Yak brothers who are experienced with the region where I want to go. So that's cool. And one of them works at the bank, and that apparently is the laptop / computer Valhalla. My best chances of transferring data, so ain't that serendipity. Yeah, it's getting darker. Yeah, good things ahead, I reckon. Okay, I just heard thunder. Pretty decent one too. Don't know how far we are from Kenjin Gompa. But it's still an hour at least, I think. Let's scurry on. Yeah, it's getting colder. It all starts at 4. I was prepping for the sunny heat. I could have prepped for the cold. Final dash. So by now there's been a dozen of thunderclaps. Was a bit slow climbing again. Not stepping like crazy, but slowed me down. Intermittent raindrops, just very, very small ones. It would be very nice if, since the temperature is dropping, that would turn into snow. But I doubt it still. Anyway, this is a nice slope here full of black rocks. I reckon we have tops hour of daylight left. Oh wow, this is a cool little shrine. Yeah, there it is. That is dope. The water makes it rotate, but it's not really rotating. Maybe the scoops are broken. I don't know if you can see anything. Get closer. There's one of those prayer thingies that goes around. Two cylinders. There's the water scoop that's not working. That's cool. Normally when it works, 24/7 prayer. Non-stop blessings. It's snowing very lightly now. Small specks. Barely the evolution after hail, but it's snow nonetheless. That's better than rain. Let's see what this becomes. Because I didn't want to miss out. Kenjin Gompa with snow. I wanted to snow more. And I really enjoyed this Langtang Valley track, man. I think you don't need a guide for this. It's self-explanatory. You just follow the route and just keep walking. Okay, it's getting dark now. It's quite moody now, the weather. But you know, it's not just sunshine that looks cool. It's weather like this. Speaks to the imagination. It's where the mystical stories originate. What did you see in the misty half-light? Was it what you thought that you saw? Nobody knows. Ah, dang. I still can't see Kenjin Goomba. And my very light snow picked up just a little bit. Enough by now to be wetting my leggings. So I think it's time for a layer. Oh, light thunder in the distance. I need to take a piss. It's getting dark. These are waterproof. Should be. Get that sexy leg. That's too much leg. It's not allowed. I did ask for more snow. Let's pick it up. Final dash. Snow dash. Whoa, that's absolutely tripping. Snow covered yaks. I don't think you can see them. I need to crank up the ISO. Hey buddies, Ampu tea shop. Gosh, God. Okay, still not Kenjin Gompa. Yeah, there were 2 or 3 other places before it. We passed by 2, this is the 3rd then. Whew! Thinner air. Out of control breathing while I'll walk a little bit faster. It's almost dark. I already cranked the ISO. I see 2 stupas. I don't know if I went the right way. Why is this path so small? This is not a normal path. Okay, we need to backtrack a bit. I think it's almost poncho time. This trail here, this is normal, but it became too rocky too. If we're close to a major place and it gets so narrow, that can't be right. And there's all these things here, so anyway, there's a little patch. I could set up the tent, because that's the thing. At any point, things become unclear, I can camp up. That was the beauty of traveling with a tent on motorbike also. To the left was more of a small dead-end path. This is rockier, but wider. Got the poncho on. Yeah, it started to cool on my arms a lot. It's borderline dark now. I don't know if you can see anything. ISO ultra cranked. We'll walk to the stupa and see from there. I turn this off. I can't change batteries in this wet conditions. Oh yeah, 2 lightnings. Oh, this looks better here. I thought this was river before. Here's the mega stupa. I don't know if you can see anything. Here's a river and a snow-covered bridge now. Holy shit. Oh, if only you could see this. God damn. It's fresh snow though. Holy shit, snow-covered bridge. This is the way though. I like it. Woo. Come on man, stupas and the lights, we must be close. I think I see a faint light. You can't see anything, can you? This is the absolute last light. But I need to go west. This looks good. We're very steep and rocky now. And snowy. Oh. Putting on my headlamp. Hello everyone. That's the trail over there. And that's thunder. Can you hear the thunder? You better find a way to Kenjin Gompa. Yeah, well, you know what it is, I remember. Once in Kenjin Gompa, there was various trails to it, others lead down to the river, so it's a bit more confusing. I have no idea on which one I am, but I need to go west. And I see a faint light. I don't know how waterproof this thing is. Come on, glove. Yeah, that's always the thing, huh? Once you start getting a bit wet. Oh, let's go. To be honest, it's actually tougher to see now. I'm blinded a bit by the light. I could see further before with the last half light. See these rocky paths? Yeah, that's where we're going. They've become slippery now. Okay, I cannot have the GoPro on. I don't want to change battery anymore.
Yes.
Namaskar, Modai.
Namaskar.
You're not going to Kenjin Goomba, nahi?
Yeah.
So Kenjin Gompa, follow this.
Yeah, this is way. This way.
And what is there? What is the light there?
This is this light powerhouse.
Farhouse.
Yes.
Okay, but if it's only one way.
Yeah, this is what.
Because there's many ways,
no,
Kenji.
no.
Just this one?
Only one this way.
Okay.
Okay.
Namaste.
Okay, namaste.
You still going to Langtang?
Yeah.
You Sherpas are amazing.
Yeah. Okay, goodbye.
Travel safely, my friend.
Yeah, also okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Kenjin Gompa, half an hour. Okay. And that's light. Damn. Yeah. When the poncho didn't come on, I thought I was closer. But when the Sherpa tells me this is the way, this is the way. The further we climb, these damn pants keep sagging. I gotta pull them up every 5 minutes. There's a belt somewhere, but I don't want to mess with that now. Here the path goes white. That's the thing with snow, huh? Where's the way? Oh man, not a climb. These rocks are slippery now. Shoes are holding up pretty good. Stick is essential. One of my quads is cramping up though, beginning. Only one time. Haven't been drinking water to keep going and to ration a bit. March on. Pull my pants up. God damn. Thunderstruck. Yeah, in the dark I've been forgetting to occasionally sit, because that's what you normally do. Yeah. You definitely should be about 4,800 meters now. 3,800. So, we've been pushing through now. I got snow all around me now. Not that one. Top snow. Water. Oh, let's go. Had to change the battery there. God, I can't wait for lights in the distance. That's good, ain't it? One time that led into a village, so the second time wouldn't be too crazy. Where are we going? Ooh. Okay. Yeah. I'm getting in. No, I am in that running on fume stage. Just push through. Himalayan hot hotel red panda. Okay, this is good. Should we take some time to make a snowman to welcome the Sherpas? Oh, why not? I love snow. Get some arms on him. Hey, buddy. Let's stabilize the base. No. Get some sticky snow. Look at this fella. He's welcoming all the night Sherpas. Ah. See ya, buddy. Ah. Home stretch. Let's go. Ah. Pants. Ah. I don't know if that's just more white, but here's a path. I think I see light in the distance. This might be it. Absolute home stretch. Whoa, you see that? That's a cabin. Yeah, these cabins. Nice. Isn't it amazing how the lightning illuminates everything? I'm on fumes. I see lights up there. And I see lights up there. Damn, which one is it? Shit. Over there is more lights to the right. We're close. I just want to go to the lights. Here's a bridge. Yeah, Red Panda. We just came from there. I see lights up there, but I don't think I can get there. There's more lights over there. I don't know if this is a path or not. It very well could be. Why would that little bridge be there? Take us to the lights. This might be it. Sweet. Absolute uber ultra home stretch. Yes, bring us to the lights. That's a lot of lights. Kenjin Gompa. People's. Let's go. Ultra home stretch, and it looks like the last energy is leaving me. Oh, I haven't rested since that last rest. I'm in Kenjin Gompa, and these last steps, I'm resting on one of them. Still going up. Trust me, I did have a good time. Oh, I've always wanted to figure it out in the snow like this. If you do the Langtang, then don't do this, okay? If you don't bring a guide, then don't just walk during the day. Let's go. Okay, I'm ready to go in, pick whatever. I was looking for super view. The Sherpa said panorama. I just want a place now. I just want to crash. It's not slip in the final walk. I don't know. I'm lost for words. That one over there is. I might have a super view. Oh, this looks cozy. Made. That's an E. It's supposed to say made it. Namaste.
Namaste.
Is this super view?
Super view?
Here. Which hotel is this? Hotel?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and super view?
No.
Which one? Panorama? Which one is this? Nama?
What is name?
Hotel, this one.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Nama. You don't know the name?
No.
No name?
Uh,
Okay, okay, I'll go in. I'll go in, please. Could you open this door, please?
okay, okay.
Then you've
How many people?
I'm okay.
How many people?
Me.
Only one person?
Only me.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, let's turn this off. Is that a mirror?
Talk to.
Did you record me?
Yeah.
I brought some snow.
Yeah.
What is the name? Is this Korean hotel?
Yeah. Hotel, yes.
Here, I'm gonna shake. Is there a fire? Up?
Yeah.
Yeah. And can have dinner, makan?
Sorry?
Food? Dinner?
Yeah, yeah. Sure,
Is
sure.
someone who speak English here?
Yeah.
Someone Angresi?
Little bit.
Are you been drinking Rakshi, brother? You've been drinking some Rakshi? Ah, now I understand. Oh, who is manager here? Boss? Boss upstairs?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, brother, thank you. Now it all makes sense.
Yeah.
The guy's absolutely plastered.
Come on, come on.
One last climb.
Hey.
I'm at the Korean hotel. Oh. Imagine using a stick still in the hotel. Oh, bloody pants, eh?
1%?
I'm going to go to the fire. Pants. Jesus. It is fire.
Yeah.
Fire.
Yeah. Okay.
Super, Deva. Namaste. We made it. Wow. Watashi wa Nihongo desu ka desu. I know, I'm sorry. It's the only thing I can say. Hello, nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Where's the fire?
Oh my god.
You want to film, brother? You want to be cameraman, brother?
Okay.
Anyway, my gloves are wet.
Where are you from today?
Tibetan. And I stay long time in Langtang. I leave Langtang Lake.
Oh, Langtang Lake.
And my pants keep falling. They're waterproof pants.
Just wait. Shall we help you to take off your snow outside over there?
Yeah, sorry for making a mess. Snow camera. How are you tonight? Enjoying?
I'm good. How are you? Thank you.
Super.
Where are you from?
I'm still enjoying Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Thank you. Super.
Yeah, you're great.
Hibinka, do you know?
Huh?
Hibinka.
Hidink.
Soccer director.
Hidink. Great Korean legend.
Yeah.
Honorary Korean. Semi-final World Cup 2002.
Wow. Everything.
La Bestia. She came in clutch with all the gear. I carry everything in here, and today it was good.
You have all the stuff like tent all over
Yeah.
there. Oh,
That's all right.
Oh, baby.
Okay, who's drinking soju? Soju here.
Right now.
No soju.
Yeah.
we don't have Korean soju, but we do have Nepali soju. Rakshi. Yeah. Don't, okay, don't show 7 packs over here.
6 pack.
6 packs. Oh,
I wish.
oh no, no.
빠질 보지 마라. 빠질 안 된다.
No, here is. I am not traveler. They hired me to dance tonight.
Okay.
된다고 지금?
Oh, you are sexy.
Okay, धन्यवाद.
Okay.
코롱 스포츠. Made in Korea.
Which one?
This is Korean brand.
Korean. That's why I come here.
Ah.
Hey, 코롱.
Cool. Hey. Koron.
My big brother.
We are Koron enjoyers. We can go into the night, into the snow.
하나도 못 알아듣겠다.
Nice to meet you, everyone. I'm Pedro. Nice to meet you, everyone. Okay, I'm gonna sit down. Just gonna chill. Oh, let's get to the fire.
지금 실방? 라이브?
Huh?
라이브?
Not live. You're a YouTuber.
Forgive me. You can make snowman. I made small snowman outside. Oh. Here is Sherpa stew. Danyavad. Wahat Danyavad. This one I've earned. Here, everything warming up.
Oh my god.
It's beautiful. The lightning was, I was just telling him, the lightning was amazing. Just lights up all the white. Then you just see for a brief second, everything. Everything is there. Bring in the stew.
I love more than my wife for this lightning.
You love what?
I love more than my wife.
Yeah, love the lightning more? Yeah. But does the lightning shout louder than your wife?
I like shouting, you know.
Let's go. So,
So in
Kenjin Gomba, Sherpa stew
soup.
in the Korean hotel.
Yeah, this is Korean hotel.
Yeah. I saw the letters on the wall. I saw the flag. Yeah.
This guest house is especially for the Korean. Yeah.
Yeah. Hope you have a great dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So sorry, Maudai.
No problem.
But I'll.
My wife's going to clean on the floor down.
I figured.
Friends come by the snow, then all the snow is taken in the dinings, make it all everywhere is the way that now my wife's
Bloody.
going to still cleaning.
Bloody Videshi. Before it was just Nepali land.
Yeah.
All Gurkha warriors. Happy. Happy.
Oh, yeah, happy.
And now, bloody Videshi come.
Right.
Worse than the British dogs.
That's right.
The snowman comes in here. But don't worry, unlike the British, I will go away faster. Okay? Ooh, not so cold as in the room, huh? In the fire room. Oh, thanks for that. Oh, super. Come with those sheets? Yeah. Good. Thank you, boss. I'll get it. Good night. And the bathroom is down there, probably, yeah? Yeah. Oh, also, thank you, super boss. I got it, I see it. Good night. Ah, bloody legend. We got a room. It's cold. I'm gonna go to bed. And this time we got electricity, such as the luxuries in this big village. It was a great day. It was a hectic day. We'll explore more around here. I'm done. I'm knackered. I'm over. I'm gonna sleep in and wake up whenever. I'll see you, and then we'll have a look around here.